Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem, that is a cube minus a square equals 18. You have to find the value of a. For this purpose, we will solve this as, consider a cube minus a square minus 18 equals 0. We can write 18 as a cube minus a square. 27 minus 9 equals 0. A cube minus a square, 27 can be write as 3 cube, 9 can be write as 3 square equals 0. Now we will write a cube minus a square minus 3 cube plus 3 square equals 0. Now we get a cube minus 3 cube minus a square plus 3 square equals 0. Now here we can apply the formula a cube minus 3 cube and minus a square minus 3 square equals 0. So we will apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that means a minus 3 into a square minus 3a and plus 3 square is 9 and minus a square minus 3 square, a minus b, a plus b, a minus 3 into a plus 3 equals 0. Now we can take a minus 3 as common. So remaining is a square minus 3a plus 9 minus a minus 3 as common. So minus a minus plus minus 3 equals 0. We have a minus 3 and the other one is a square minus 3a. And this will be a square minus, so this will be 2a as this is plus, so plus 2a plus 6 equals 0. We have a minus 3 equals 0, that implies a equals 3, and for this one a square plus 2a plus 6 equals 0. We will apply the quadratic formula on this. So minus 2 plus minus b square means 4 minus 4 of ac, 1 into 6 divided by 2 of a. So a equals minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 36 will be, it will happen when we solve this as 4 minus 6 4s are 24, so 24 minus 4 is minus 20 by 2. So this will become as, we will write this here, that a equals minus 2 plus minus root minus 2 divided by 2. A equals minus 2 plus minus root 20 iota divided by 2. So we have the final answer as a equals 3, a equals minus 2 plus minus 20 by 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.